guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin there, and we're gonna look at some dandy items. Let's look at Pat the Prisoner Pup. He looks like this, with the chain thing. Pat the Prisoner Pup is made by D&D in 2009. He is a black dog with a red nose and ears, and he wears cuffs with a red chain on them, and a black and white prisoner hat, and a small heart which lights up. He sways back and forth as he sings, "You're my soul and inspiration," or inspiration. Or I'm not gonna say inspiration, I'm not gonna say that. Yep, he's really cute. He's a really cute dog. He's really cute. Rockin' and Rolling Frog. Oh, he looks like this. And he holds a guitar. The Rockin' and Rolling Frog. The Rockin' Rolling Frog is made by D&D. He's a green frog that wears a red and white striped scarf and holds a red guitar in his hands. He sways side to side. He sways side to side and moves his mouth as he sings the Three Dog Night version of Joy to the World. And it also has a video. He's really cute. Yep, he's really cute. Dan the Toe-Tapping Snowman. Oh, I thought this one's made by D&D. That one's not D&D. That one's made by PBC. Rocking Chair Santa Claus. Oh, he looks like this. And that one's made by D&D. The Rocking Chair Santa Claus is an animated Christmas plush figure made by D&D in 2007. Santa sits in a authentic looking rocking chair with North Pole on his headrest. He holds a stocking in his arm that reads "Here Comes Santa Claus" on it. Santa's cheeks light up and rocks back and forth to "Santa Claus is Coming to Town." Yep, it looks like this. Sony the Easter Duck. Oh, he looks kind of silly looking. Sony the Easter Duck. And he looks like this, and he looks kind of silly looking. Sony the Easter Duck is an animated Easter plush made by D&D in 2006. He wears a purple raincoat with colorful Easter egg shaped bottom, a matching hat with a rainbow top, and a bell the center his head. Yeah, and a bell in the center. His head moves back and forth and up and down, and his cheeks light up while singing Disco Duck. He's really cute. Animated music box bear. Yep, animated music box bear. Oh, he looks like this. The animated music box bear is a Christmas plush made by D&D in 2004. He wears a classical old world Santa Claus outfit with golden accent buttons, his head and body sways back. Yet his head and body sways and mouth moves while singing "We Need a Little Christmas." Yep, he's really cute. Dancing Valentine's Day, Caveman Gorilla. And that one's really vintage. The Dancing Valentine's Day Caveman Gorilla was made by Dan D in 2000. He wears heart-shaped shades and a white leopard clothes. He holds a red club in his right hand that reads "Wild Thing." His head and mouth moves while singing "Wild Thing." He's really cute. Dancing Valentine's Day Bee Bear. And he looks like this. And he's also vintage. The Dancing Valentine's Day Bee Bear was made by Dan D in 1999. The bear wears a bumblebee costume and holds a heart that reads "How Sweet It Is." He moves his head. Yep, how sweet it is. Yep, he holds a heart that reads "How Sweet It Is" on it. He moves his head and mouth while singing "How Sweet It Is to Be Loved by You." Chip the Caveman. Oh, he looks like this. Chip the Caveman is an animated Valentine's Day plush made by Dan D in 2000. He wears a leopard cloth and he holds a club in his right hand that reads "Wild Thing" on it. He shakes and his cheeks light up while he sings "Wild Thing." Valentine's Day Elephant. Oh, he looks like this, and he holds a heart on his trunk. The Valentine's Day Elephant was made by Dan D in date unknown, unless. Yeah, I can't read that. I'm not going to say unless. In date unknown, I don't know what it says. He wears a red ribbon around his neck, and he holds onto a heart with printed hearts on it, hanging on by a ribbon into his trunk. His trunk sways back and forth while singing "Hooked on a Feeling." And he also has a video. He's really cute. My Love animated Valentine's Day bears assortment. Oh, it looks like these two bears. There's a boy and a girl. The My Love Valentine's Day bears was made by Dan D in 2001. There are two bears in this set, a boy bear and a girl bear. The boy bear wears a red sparkly shirt and matching headband, shades, and black yoga pants. He holds a heart-shaped guitar in his hands. He shakes and sings "My Girl." The girl bear wears a red sparkly dress and matching headband and shades. She holds a wired microphone in her right hand. She shakes and sings "My Guy." He's really cute. Bunny Express. Oh, he looks like this. A bunny riding on a choo-choo train. The Bunny Express is an animated Easter plush made by Dan D. The train is yellow and orange with a carrot-shaped funnel, a bunny face on the front, and a Bunny Express logo is on each side of the cockpit. The bunny wears a carrot cap on his head. The train shakes, and the Easter Bunny's cheeks light up while singing Here Comes Peter Cottontail. That's what he sings. Walking wobblers. Let's see what it says. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, there's too many of those. There's a dog, a bear, a gorilla, a frog, a lion, and a pig. Let's read what it says. The chicken sings chicken dance. The dog sings How Much Is That Doggy in the Window? The bear sings Let Me Be Your Teddy Bear. And the gorilla sings Wild Thing. And then the lion sings The Lion Sleeps Tonight. And the cow sings Oh MacDonald. And the frog sings Joy to the World, night version. And the pig sings Born to Be Wild. The Walking Wobblers is a series of singing walking animals made by Dan D. Most of them were a colored basketball jerseys with words on the front. Each one moves his arms up and down and walks forward while singing a classic tune. And he also has videos. So we're not going to watch the videos. Because Caged Purple People Eater. Oh, he looks like this. The Caged Purple People Eater was made by Dan D in 2001. The Purple People Eater has orange hair, a pink horn, turquoise claws and fangs, pink tongue, elf ears, and an orange eyeball. He wears an orange cape with a red bow at the front. He has a cuff tied to his left hand, chained to a black cage where he sits. He shakes and sings the original People Eater. Shuffling Rudolph. Oh, let's take a look. Oh, he looks like this. Is a walking Rudolph. The Shuffling Rudolph is an animated plush made by Dan D in 2016 and 2018. Rudolph wears a red scarf with a Rudolph logo on it. Rudolph's nose flashes, and he shuffles side to side while he sings Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer theme song plays. He's really cute. Snowman Trilo. Oh, I just said Trilo. Oh, I just said the wrong trio. I just said Trilo. Trilo's Bear in the Big Blue House. Snowman Trio. Oh, it looks like these three snowmen. The Snowman Trio is an animated Christmas plush made by Dan D in 2005. Each snowman wears a Santa hat, has stick arms, and has a wacky expressions wacky expression on their faces with their tongues hanging out of their mouths. Each snowman's carrot nose lights up. The big snowman sways side to side, and the medium snowman rocks back and forth while taking turns singing Walking in the Winter Wonderland. And it also has a video. But we're not going to watch it though. Sing and Swing Reindeer. Oh wait. Oh, I read the wrong one. Sing and Swing Monster, and it looks like a Frankenstein. The Sing and Swing Monster is made by Dan D.